Can I ask, this black guy that you go with, do they kiss you on the lips?
Yes, because I know myself that I am a woman, that I am pretty, and why not?
As in, as in, yung kiss na laplapan?
Yes.
Yung labas pati tongue?
Yes, that's we called
French, like that?
that
No.
that's we called happily ending. Like a woman in a man. So woman in man kiss like simple, but we are kissing like a massive
Do
kiss.
the black man kiss you as
Yes,
laplapan?
like if my mouth is
Your
big,
tongue,
like that,
your tongue is,
they are suck up here. They are licking you everywhere, and oh my god, oh yes,
you like it?
I like it. I like honestly, I like black and aromas, but mostly I like white guy because they are.
So the black
But
guy
I
is
think it's
good in
both.
romance?
Both of them, they are
Good.
perfect for me.